What's going on everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now it's just arrived today, so I'm a little bit late to the game, but I figured I'd unbox it anyway, as this will be my new camera going forward for vlogs and will be my new overhead rig when I come back. Let's go ahead, let's jump into the box and let's take a look at it. So I didn't go with the creator combo, which gave you a few extra pieces, but I decided to unbox this because I haven't seen a standard one being unboxed yet. Looking forward to this. I've actually sold my GoPro Hero 11 Black. I was going to get the Osmo Action 4, as that is my sort of camera that I use for in the car stuff when I'm doing the car videos. I decided to go with a different route. Now I had the original Osmo Pocket, done many happy videos with that, even done one around Epcot, and I also had a slick wraps on it in blue carbon. Look fantastic. There's the box. It shows the Osmo Pocket 3 on the front, that lovely 2-inch flip screen. You can record in portrait and in landscape, in both. DJI.com on the side. On the back of the box here, 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 120, 2-inch rotatable screen with orientation control, 3-axis gimbal, active track 6.0, full pixel fast focusing, D-Log M and 10-bit recording, stereo recording, pocket sized, and this is what you get inside the box, but we're just going to take a look at that right now. Let's go ahead, pop this open, and there we go. So let's pop it open and let's see what you get inside the box. Nothing else in there. Main piece, your reading for on the toilet, DJI Store app, light cut app, a little bit more like reading, Osmo Pocket 3, the protective cover it comes in, and a quick start guide on the front right here. This is the Pocket 3, so we'll put that out the way just for a second and we'll check what's in this little box right here. Silica gel inside that. You get a little lanyard strap that goes on the side. I will not be using that, so that will be nice and fresh. That can stay in the box. Okay, and this piece right here, this is the extendable grip that adds the quarter thread on the bottom and the USB-C to the side. So there's that bit. Comes with this spring action, so when you take it out, but you can't just stick it straight in. But as you can see, the quarter thread on the bottom for tripods and the USB-C onto the back. You get a nice USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. And let's get into the main event. Let's go ahead and take this out. So there is the protective cover, DJI branding on the bottom right there. There's your gimbal at the front, DJI branding on the actual gimbal, and I think you just pop out like so. And then in here, if you get the other one, a space for a black Pro mist filter and a wide angle lens filter, and this is where you can clip in your microphone if you want to carry it around and not carry the carry bag with you. You can just slap it on there, but you can also use this as like a microphone if you want to talk into it that way. And then there is the actual Osmo Pocket 3. That's a microphone on the side. You get your micro SD card slot here. As I say, the USB-C goes to the bottom, but if you plug this in, this changes, puts the USB-C onto the back, tripod thread to the bottom, so you can add a tripod to it. Feels really, really nice. I'm looking forward to testing this out. Microphone on the back and a microphone on this side. Feels really nice to hold. I'm looking forward to using this. That's basically what it is. The reason that I've gone ahead and bought this now, I was going to wait until I got to the States to buy this, and I am heading out there soon. There'll be a trip announcement on the Orlando Tourist YouTube channel. If you're not following there, there'll be a link in the description to where you can check that channel out. I dread vlogging in airports and stuff like that, I really do. I mean, even though I've tried it in the past, it's worked, I've done it, you know, it is what it is. I still get the butterfly thing and I'm still like a bit nervous about taking the camera out in the middle of the airport. I've tried with the GoPro in the past, worked out quite well, it was very discreet, no one seemed to bat an eyelid. And then when I sold the GoPro, I figured the Osmo Action 4 would be my best bet with having the DJI mic on it. And then this came out. This has not long been announced, obviously, but then I figured why not pick one of these guys up again, and why not try this while I'm away. That's the reason we've got it. Let's go ahead and take this off the screen, but we'll just talk about, it says rotate screen, shutter record button right there, press once power on, take photos or record, press and hold to power off, and the joystick at the bottom right here. So let's go ahead and take that off, and there is the 2-inch touchscreen. If we rotate like so, it switches on and the gimbal powers to life. So English, device name, activate before use. So I've already got the DJI Mimo app from ones that I've had in the past. So let me go ahead and grab the DJI Mimo app, and there it is, like so. Osmo device found, click connect, so it's now connecting. Now I think it's going to have a update. Agree. Next, confirm account info, that is definitely me. And there we go. We are now in. DJI Care refresh, 1 year plan, 2 year plan. Let me just show you into that first before we go anywhere. DJI Care refresh, 1 year plan, is £32. 2 low cost replacements, water damage collision coverage, 3-day average replacement time, free 2-way shipping for replacement, global service and support. So 2 year plan is 50 and a 1 year plan is 32. I may be taking you up on that offer. So, enjoy live view in DJI Mimo, manage files with efficiency, advanced skills with tutorials, update firmware regularly. So there we go, straight away there is a firmware update to be done. So we'll let that do its thing and I'll be right back with you just as it's finished. So device is now connecting, update is now done. Swipe from edge to enter playback, no SD card, I need to install my SD card into this. Let me know what you think of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Is this something you would consider going for yourself? I'm looking forward to testing this out. I'm looking forward to bringing you more videos. So make sure you stay tuned. There's plenty more to come with this little guy right here. So be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But you can also rotate the screen that way and you can switch it off, or you can go into portrait mode to record TikToks or your reels, whatever you want to record. Then you just flip out the screen and away you go. So also as well, what you can do is you can actually control it from your phone. So say you were set up at an event and you wanted to leave it on a tripod, well, you could use your phone. You could literally use your phone to get things in order, to show where you want your footage to be. Not too sure how you get it recentered, but you can go to follow mode, go to default mode, and zoom. You can zoom out, you can record, go to photo, pano, live stream from it, slow motion, time lapse, hyperlapse. So yeah, you can basically control everything. So if we go back to, you can go to low light, so you go to video, as you can see you can go for your resolution, your frame rate, you can add all the beauty modes right here, you can add a grid, so you can turn the grid on or off, so you can go to pro mode, turn the grid on, go to grid lines, so you can have grid lines, focus mode, all your different modes that you'd want. Yeah, you can control everything. It tells you how long the memory card's got in it. I've just put a 64 gig memory card and I get 41 minutes of record time on it. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section. I think that's really cool. My old Osmo Pocket, you'd have to obviously plug in the lightning end into the phone and you can control it with your phone this way, but this is now connected to the DJI Mimo app and I'm now able to just control the gimbal. So if I was at an event somewhere, I can literally control it from my phone, and the picture is absolutely awesome. I'm really looking forward to using this, guys, so make sure you stay tuned. Anything you want to say, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm super excited to get started with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. See you all soon. Take care, guys.